Welcome back to another episode of Expression. Today I am doing two experiments, avoiding pepper and candle seesaw. So now I am going to add some water into the plate. Now I am going to add some few pinches and sprinkle it around with pepper. Little dish liquid onto my hand, and now I'm going to touch in the middle of the plate. As you can see, the pepper is running away. Peppers are running away because when I touch the middle of the plate with the dish soap, the surface tension of the water is distributed and the water molecules move around from the soap and taking the pepper with them. Now I'm going to do the second experiment, the candle seesaw experiment. So I have burnt this thin metal stick. Now I'm going to put it through the middle of this candle. So now I'm going to put it in the middle. So now I'm going to light in one of the sides. So now I put the fire on both of the sides. Candle is like a seesaw. The candle looks like seesaw now because as the heavier candle in the seesaw moves downward, the angled flame causes the wax to melt faster, drip more. When the dripping candle loses enough mass, it also loses potential energy and moves upward just like the seesaw. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. Be sure to tell your friends. Bye.